Good morning, 10th graders. I'm going to share with you a review for Chapter 4 in The Great Gatsby. All right, so Nick continues to attend Gatsby's parties throughout the summer. Gatsby loves to call people old, you fill in the blank. Um, in Chapter 4, Nick and Gatsby drive to New York City. They go across the Queensboro Bridge. They see a couple of strange sights. Once they get into the city, they go to a speakeasy, which is a place where you can drink illegal alcohol. Don't forget, this was prohibition. When they're there, we meet Meyer Wolfsheim, who's got some crazy cufflinks. It's pretty gross, too. Additionally, while they're there, Tom enters the speakeasy and he goes over to Nick, and during that time, Gatsby takes off, which is pretty strange. Later in the chapter, we meet up with Jordan again while Nick and Jordan go out. Jordan tells Nick the story of Gatsby and Daisy. Seemingly, they knew each other a few years back. They fell in love, but Gatsby went off to war. And while he was off, Daisy married Tom, and somewhat unwillingly, but don't forget, he had a lot of money. So, a few things happened before and after the wedding, including Daisy getting drunk and Tom getting into a car accident with a maid because he was off gallivanting. All right, so we find out that Gatsby wants to meet with Daisy again, and that leads us into Chapter 4. And in Chapter 4, Gatsby plans a meeting with Daisy. Daisy has no idea that this is in the works. But Nick gets to host the meeting. While you are reading, you're going to pay attention to water, especially how water is combined with weather. You're going to pay attention to color. You're going to pay attention to wealth and time, but more specifically, lost time. Time that, that kind of slipped through your fingers and you really can't get back, but you want to make up for. Just shot back to Chapter 4. Nick does catch Gatsby in a lie about where he's from. If you didn't catch that, go back to when they're in the car. Okay, so if you have any questions at any point, please ask me. If you would like to meet live one day, we can do that. That's about it. So I hope you're having an easier time this week. It looks like we're going to be doing this for quite some time. I miss seeing you all. It's more fun laughing and chatting and talking to each other and whatnot. But you be well, and I hope you're all keeping safe and that your parents and your siblings and your grandparents and everybody else is doing well too. Okay, be well. Bye bye. Okay, that was good.